أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are going to discuss about the last two signs. The last two signs are called Jazm and Shad. We can also call them Jazm like as Sukoon and Shad as Tashdid. So any letter having Jazm on it is called a silent letter. Kaf has a Jazm, so we will call it Kaf silent or Kaf sakin. And if lam has jazm, so it will be called like lam silent. Any letter having jazm like za has jazm, so za silent. If swad has jazm, so this one will be called like swad silent. So any letter having jazm on it is called a silent letter. Whenever we see a joining sign on any letter, for example, we can see the jazm on kaf. It means that it is joining with the previous letter. So before kaf there is hamza, so hamza is joining with kaf. The jazm by self has no sound. The purpose of the jazm is only to join two letters. Hamza is joining with kaf, so we will read it like hamza, kaf, fatha, ak. Hamza, kaf, kasra, ik. Hamza, kaf, damma, uk. Sound will be ak, ik, uk. We can't read them long. We have to read them short, like ak, ik, uk. This is wrong, so we will read them short. Ak, ik, uk. Same here. Al, il, ul. At, it, ut. Im, So Hamza, Ta, Fatha, As. Hamza, Ta, Kasra, Is. Hamza, Ta, Fatha, Us. As, Is, Us. This one will be Akh, Ich, Ukh. I hope you understand the Jazm one. One more thing I want to tell you that if there is a Hamza silent, like Hamza has Jazm, so we will read it with jerk voice, like Sha Nun. Not like Sha Nun, but Sha Nun. Ma Ku Lin Ik Ra Ta Tu Na Mu Sadatun. The next sign is called Shad or Tashdid. If any letter has shad, is called mushaddad letter. Ba has shad, so we will call it ba mushaddad. Mim has shad, so we will call it mim mushaddad. There are three rules to read the letter having shad on it. The first rule is shad is recited twice. First, it is read along with the previous letter and it is read along with its own sign. Second rule is shad is recited all together strongly. Both are recited clearly. Now we are going to apply these three rules. First, Shad will join with the previous letter. So Hamza will join with Ba. So both letters must be joined strongly. Hamza, Ba, Fatha, Ab. Ab. Not Ab, not anything else but Ab. Now Ab. Like Hamza and Ba sound must be clear. These are the three rules. So Hamza, Ba, Fatha, Ab. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Ab, Ba. Hamza, Ba, Kasra, Ib. Ba, Kasra, Bi. Ab, Bi. Hamza, Ba, Fatha, Ab. Ba, Damma, Bu. Ab, Bu. What will we do? First we will read this letter Hamza, then Ba, then Fatha. So the sound will be Ab, then Ba, Damma, Bu. Ab, Bu. This one Ba, Ra, Damma, Bur. Bu and R. Bur. Ra, Kasra, Ri. Bur, Ri. Za, Fatha, Za. Bur, Ri, za. Sod, dal, fatha, sod. Dal, fatha, da. Sod, da. Qaf, fatha, qa. Sod, da, qa. This one, Hamza, ya, fatha, ay. Ya, alif, fatha, ya. This is also alif madda. Aish, ya, noon, fatha, na. Aish, ya, na. So all these are 16 signs we have learned till now. And first three signs are like the joining short sign fatha, kasra, dhamma, double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma, and standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. These are the long sign. And waw lean, ya lean, soft sign. Joining signs are jazm and shad. I hope you get everything. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know. And our signs are complete. We will move to the next one, that is called like Tajweed. What is Tajweed? What are the rules of stop? And all these things we will discuss in the next video. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.